We're tracking plenty of rain across California here this Monday, but our rain chances in Kern County are actually relatively low. Let's start with a look at the radar, which probably look like promising rain chances just based on that radar image. You can see a fairly steady band of rain from Salinas all the way up through Sacramento and even extending over toward the far northern Sierra. But we're going to see a little change in course of this band of rain. At least that's what we expect. You're going to notice that it begins to kind of push off to the west. And that's because the area of low pressure that's driving that rain is going to be swinging off to the west and weakening a bit too. So as you can see, as we head through the day tomorrow, that rain never really gets here. Maybe a raindrop or two possible on the early edges of this, but not expecting any significant rain here in Kern County. What this will do, though, as that low pressure tracks off to the south, is pull some colder air into Kern County. Not really going to see too much of that here tonight. It should be a fairly mild night. Part of the reason for that, good amount of cloud cover. That tends to keep us a little bit warmer. If we do see some clearing, some patchy fog would be possible, but again, we'd have to clear out first for that to happen, which is not terribly likely. Highs tomorrow, still relatively comfortable. That cool air really doesn't arrive as of yet. 50s and some 40s in our mountain and desert communities, and the warmest spots in Kern County, like Bakersfield, could actually get up to about 60 degrees for tomorrow, with a good chance of a little sunshine in the afternoon. Relatively calm conditions here for tomorrow. I do expect winds are going to pick up quite a bit as we head into the day on Wednesday and onto Thursday as well, and that's as that cooler weather is going to start to work its way into Kern County. We'll look at that here as we look at your extended forecast. So starting with tomorrow, I do think the clouds are going to stay with us through most of the night tonight into tomorrow. Signs that we could at the very least get some clearing into the afternoon, but overall a pretty comfortable and calm day. I've got us at 60 degrees for Bakersfield tomorrow, so that should be decently nice. Again, that cooler air, though, is on schedule. 53 for Wednesday, 49 for Thursday. If we saw any somewhat widespread rain, it would be Wednesday night into Thursday. That looks to be very light. That does not look to be very significant. Not too concerned with that. You do notice temperatures kind of rebounding a little bit as we get into the weekend. Some more sunshine Friday, Saturday, too. High pressure builds back in. That's also going to increase our chances for fog. So we're going to be really watching that as we get into the weekend, especially since we've had so much rain lately. So that'll become a little bit more of a weather story as we head towards the end of the forecast. Mountain communities and the desert here again tomorrow, similar to today. Wednesday, Thursday, cooler, probably some stronger winds in our mountain and desert communities as well. That's pretty typical as that cooler air moves in. Into Friday, Saturday, we talked about the high pressure. That brings the fog chances for the valley. However, not much of a chance in our mountain areas. You guys should be pretty comfortable, sunny, and nice as we get into the weekend.